Hey guys, how's it going? How to keep your Pokemon cards in mint condition. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Pokemon and basically go ahead to your cards, right? And use sleeves, okay? Place each card in high quality card sleeve for protection. Secondly, use top loaders and binders. Store sleeved cards in rigid top loaders or binders with soft pockets. Avoid humidity. Keep them in a dry temperature controlled environment. No direct sunlight. Store away from sunlight to prevent fading and handle with care. Hold cards by the edges to avoid fingerprints or smudges. And lastly, transport safely. Use protective cases when carrying them. And proper storage ensures long-term value and appearance. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.